I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India?
Bangalore.
Bengaluru. Are you a student or are you working? Are you a student?
For job.
Wow. Then have you completed your graduation?
Yeah, I completed my graduation Master of Computer Applications.
Oh my goodness. You have a double degree on your hand, right? Right now you are a seeker, and may God bless you as soon as possible. You get your destination where you want to reach. And do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with stranger?
No, little bit. I'm little bit nervous.
Okay. You want to decrease your nervousness while interact with co-learner, right?
Yeah. Tell me about yourself.
I am from Odisha. I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. You know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English. That's why I'm using this platform. Yeah. How much time do you invest?
Yeah, tell me.
Pardon? Could you repeat? How much?
Yeah, tell me.
How?
Once again, you
Okay. How much time do you invest through platform per day?
3 hours.
3 hours. You are in right track. And okay, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Do you?
Maybe I'm using more videos.
Okay. Okay. Then you what kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? You use listening video, right? And you watch regularly
Yeah,
and speak.
I watch videos.
Okay, what kind of YouTube video do you follow regularly? What type of?
Shadow techniques. Shadow technique.
Okay,
Beginner English stories and movies also.
wow. Then you take lots of technique or activity to enhance your English speaking, right? Then do you talk with any one physical person
Yeah.
from online people? Have you ever talked with anyone? Do
Yeah, I started this bring the past 4 days. I'm starting.
okay, you recently joined in this platform, right? How much amount have you paid through platform? How much amount?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. This platform is a very good platform, and
Hello?
you meet a so many co-learner and you practice with them. It is a good platform, and you talk